Now we are going to do the third letter, the letter C. The letter C goes like this. You go from here right up to here, like this, and small one, it's just smaller than that. C. This is letter C. And the letter C has a sound that is K. We do not say C, K. When you say cat, K. To remember the sound, you have a little song to remember, K. Just listen attentively. We are clicking castor nut, K, K, K. We are clicking castor nuts, K, K, K. We are clicking castor nuts, clicking castor nuts. We are clicking castor nut, K, K, K. You got the sound? C, K. Now give me some words please with the sound K. Very good. Cat. Yes? Cup. K. Some more? Car. K. Car. Candle. Yeah, very good. Can. Water can. Now, the sound of the letter C is K. We have cat, cup, car, candle, can, many other things. So we learned the letter C, the sound K. Let's remember K for C.